Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a GMC Yukon side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a socket wrench set, and a new side mirror assembly. It's crucial to have the correct mirror for your specific Yukon model. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This simple step helps prevent any accidental electrical shorts or damage during the replacement process, ensuring your safety and the vehicle's integrity. Now, let's get to removing the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This reveals the mirror's wiring and mounting bolts. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions, such as heating or power adjustment. Next, use your socket wrench to remove the 3 or 4 mounting nuts that secure the mirror to the door. Once these are off, you can gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new side mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting nuts to secure it in place, then use your socket wrench to tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting the door panel back on, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and turn signals. For the final steps, once you've confirmed the new mirror is working perfectly, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all clips and screws are securely fastened, ensuring a tight and rattle-free fit. Take a moment to double-check all mirror functions one last time, including any integrated turn signals or puddle lights. Ensure the mirror is stable and doesn't vibrate excessively while driving. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old side mirror assembly, perhaps recycling it if possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.